Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Lover's Dangerous, chapter 22. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back then, young Yuner remember when she was a child and she became an orphan and she already lived in her cousin Shashan's house. The first day when she moved back, young Yuner, she was with her cousins and also her aunt. But on that time, it seems that she really can't sleep. She went outside of the house and she was waiting for something. Look at her, she really feels lonely. What a cute Yuner she is. On that time, her aunt and cousin was really worried about her. Why did you keep looking out the door? Earth said that she had a good friend in the sanatorium and the girl said she would come. Oh, she's waiting for that friend. Shashan said to her mother. Yes, when he came back, she also specially left a note for a friend. I don't know, but I can say that Earth is very sad. Shashan said to her mother. Well, still, the two of them got really worried about her. If you haven't come to us for so long, you probably won't be here anymore. Should also have his own new life. Shashan said to her mother, but of course, looking at her, she looks really curious and also, she was sympathizing on the condition of Yuner. Back then, it was getting late at night, but young Yuner still, she can able to sleep well. Now, she was rolling on her bed. Why haven't you come to me, Sister Sisi? Forget me. She really clearly said that she would not be separated from me, but now it makes sense. She really wants her. Turns out, Shashan was already came finally. Asked her, have you slept? Looking at young Yuner, of course. She's still crying on that moment. Now she said to her Sissy, almost to sleep. Now she was wiping her tears. Probably she got really scared because the room is dark. But, Shashan, I have a gift for you. Now she will come closer to whisper on hers. But young Yuner back then said to her, what gift? Now she got really curious. Show her a doll. Well, what a cute doll. This is the doll I made myself. This is called Shao Pei Mi, Shashan said to her. Now, looking at the young Yuner. Of course, on that time, she's been amazed. The doll is really cute. She really liked it so much. Looking at her, suddenly she becomes bright. Just put what you want to find a person and when you fall asleep, it will open the wings. Look for the people all over the world. We'll find it one day. Shashan said to hers. Leader Yuner said, thank you, cousin. Cousin is so rude. You came to my house. We are family, so call me sister in the future. So it turns out Shashan is really cared about her. Just now, remembering her cousin, of course, she became teary. To do anything just to find the truth. Now, it makes sense. Oceansea suddenly came back from work, since it was getting late. But, Yuner, she come closer and wants to give her the box. Sissy, by the way, I received a box for you today. Give it to me. Young Yuner, Oceansea said to her. Now, she was giving her a box. Young Yuner already let go the box. But it seems that it was not hold tightly. Look at it, suddenly, he falls on the ground. Well, that cute toy. It really looks cute and also, it was a pretty. Now, it makes sense. Young Yuner said to Oceansea, sorry, I slipped my hand. Well, knowing Yuner, of course, she really intended to fall down the box on the floor. Well, what a tricky she is. But, seeing what's inside of the box, right now, young Yuner said to her, it's such a special doll. Let's see on what will the reactions of Oceansea. Is it what I feel? No, I can never see it. Of course, it was personally made. Hands-on, of course. She really can find it outside. Also, it's called Shout by Me. It was hand-sewed by a friend of mine, and it was a birthday present that she gave me. Now, looking at her face, she looks really sad. It's impossible for Wang Yuner not to recognize these styles at all. Shashan said that she only gave it to the two of us. Well, because the two of them are really special on Shashan's heart. Your friend is really ingenious, and if I have opportunity, you can introduce it to us. Oceansi said to Yang Yuner. But Yang Yuner right now, she has passed away. Oceansi thinks that she really wanted to inquire about Shanshan. So it turns out she really knows what's inside of the heart of Yang Yuner. Her name is Shashan. She was my funny teacher and my only friend in the whole family. She is a very nice person. Turns out my sister and Oceansi is a good friend. Oceansi said to herself, if she is alive, there will be a different encounter between me and Sissy. What do you think Oceansi is asking her? Now, she got surprised and said, ah. She looked down on the floor and said, how could such a good person die? Looking at herself, of course, she looks really sad. What a pity, Yang Yuner said to Oceansi. As long as there's a people in this world who remember her, she will not really leave. Now, you and I will never forget her. Oceansi said to her, well, definitely right now. She was nodding, yes, as long as I remember sisters, she has been beside me. Now, Yang Yuner, she became emotional, and also, she was hugging the doll, since it was getting late at night. Well, this girl, probably, she got really lonely, and she remembers her sister. Yang Yuner's face is turning red. Well, maybe. I suddenly miss you today. But now, it was Oceansi suddenly popped in. She put her clothes on hers. I am disturbing your sleep. Sorry, Yang Yuner said to her. Oceansi, no, I am thirsty. I just want to get up and drink some water. Well, Yang Yuner was looking at her seriously and said to her, stop drinking water. Drink this. Oh, it seems that she was really getting drunk. Well, her face is really turning red. I'm not good at drinking. Well, probably she really wanted to refuse her, and she was only curious about her. Now, Oceansi said to her, that's just right. If you are drunk, I can start. Yang Yuner said to Oceansi, oh, well, what did she mean by that? She looks really confused, right? Start? What do you want to do with me? Well, Oceansi suddenly got curious and asking her, let's see on what will happen next, since the story is getting trickier. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!